Hello, my name is Sandra Charles, and I'm an oil painter. I create large paintings of African American women. I use a variety of brushes in creating my artwork. Most of them are large, but my favorite brush from my toolkit is the number 4 flat brush. It's kind of small, but this brush is good for blending. It picks up a lot of paint. But one of my favorite things about this brush is that it's so versatile. You can turn it on its side, and I can use it to make very fine lines and draw in details on the paintings, such as those around the eyes and everything. So, and this is why it is my favorite brush from my toolkit. Happy creating.